Namecheap private email setup. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up Namecheap and open up your account. After that, on the left hand side panel, you would be able to find the option of private email. Simply click on it. Then right beside your domain name, you would be able to find manage. Simply click on it, and after that scroll down and you would be able to see the option of create mailbox. Simply click on it, and after that provide the name and password, and your storage would be default, or you can also increase it in case if you want to. Then just simply click on the option of save changes, and after that you would be able to see your mailbox right below it when you scroll down, and there on the right hand side you would be able to see the option of edit storage option. Simply click on it, then select the option of open web mail, and when you click on it, it will redirect you to a login page, and there just simply provide the name and password that we just set up right now, and this way you would be able to create your private email on Namecheap. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.